Larry Page, Mark Zuckerberg, Sergey Brin, and Jeff Bezos have one thing in common, apart from being billionaires. And that is the fact that they've all made their fortune primarily with the internet. These men are ranked amongst the top 10 wealthiest people in the world today. And considering the growing importance of the World Wide Web, they don't look like slowing down anytime soon. At the moment, there are over 4.39 billion internet users on the planet. This number is bound to increase, especially as the world begins to adjust to the new normal the internet is introduced due to the pandemic. Thousands of jobs have decided to make the internet their new office space, which makes it possible for people with groundbreaking ideas, such as Eric Yuan, to become millionaires. Yuan, whose net worth rose to over 110% thanks to his Zoom app that made virtual meetings possible, can only have the internet to thank for his profound success. If you own or run a business and you haven't yet found a way to harness the internet, you might as well be ignoring the biggest market audience the world has to offer. Walmart was once the largest shopping market space, but not anymore. Amazon has knocked it off that perch. Every year, over 100 million new users join the ever-growing audience on the internet, and it's just a matter of time before everyone on Earth has an online identity. Sadly, some see this as an opportunity to scam people of their hard-earned dollars, but it doesn't have to be so. The internet billionaires listed in the first part of this video have made it possible to make a living from the internet in myriads of ways. But first, some skill sets are required to get you off the ground. Take, for instance, blogging. You would need to have the ability to create content in the form of writing to thrive in it. Don't worry, some of these skills are something you're already used to. Still, probably not aware of. Well, it's high time you start monetizing them. And I can assure you that people will be very willing to pay for such skills online. For starters, you'll need an internet-enabled device, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer to access the internet. And not just that, but also a stable and consistent network connection. This shouldn't be a problem for you, especially since you can access this video in the first place. So if you're excited to learn all this, please do me a quick favor and hit that like button, and go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Now, the list I'm about to share with you are legit ways to make money online while maintaining a clear conscience. With no hassle whatsoever, relax and take your pick from the lot. 1. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Looking at this from the outside, you might feel that the blogging space is crowded, especially with over 600 million blogs and still counting. But you'd be wrong to think that there isn't enough space for everyone to feed on. Depending on your niche, what you intend to blog about, 1,000 views can get you between 1 cent and 10 cents per page view. This can make you between $1,000 to $10,000 depending on the traffic you can generate to your site. Starting a blog will cost you very little, considering the amount you can be sure to earn from it in the long run. You can as well start with a free domain using WordPress, but the monetary value is less compared to when you own your domain, which could cost you a little under $50 a year. In the blogging industry, you must have a niche that will pull the required traffic for your site. Blogs that talk about finances or how to grow your income, food, clothes, healthy living, travel, and personal development tend to generate more traffic than others. So if you have any interest or more in-depth knowledge in such areas, then I suggest you get to work immediately. The world will like to know what your ideas are, and they'll be willing to pay handsomely for it too. It also helps if you bring a fresh perspective to these common niches. Having a unique take on common everyday issues will enable your voice to stand out in the crowded marketplace that is blogging. Affiliate marketing is simply a fancy word for selling other people's products, and it's an excellent way to monetize your blog. When you join any of the millions of affiliate programs on the internet, you'll get a unique link to their products. Whenever anyone visiting your site clicks on the link and purchases the product, you'll earn a commission. But you have to be patient and consistent. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes some time for it to kick off and start making money. Nurture it like you would nurture a baby. Enjoy, but most importantly, endure the process. The requirements here are a laptop or smartphone, a steady internet connection, and a niche that you're comfortable with. 2. Create a YouTube channel and sign up for online tutoring. Now, I will suggest this to those who feel they have something unique to showcase to the world. It could be anything ranging from dance moves, personal documentaries, to tutorial videos of different kinds. If you feel you have an idea or a way on how to make a hard task look simpler, such as teaching mathematics, yes, I seem to find it difficult, braiding a hairstyle, or probably how to do anything, I suggest you head over to YouTube this instant and create a channel, or better still, for academic purposes, you can use sites like myprivatetutor.com or barattutors.com to lease out your expertise. All you need is a phone or a laptop, and of course an internet connection to upload your videos. If you're consistent at this and also improve on it from time to time, you could end up making millions of dollars every year. It could also help you land endorsement deals with companies as well. YouTubers are celebrities in their rights, and rightly so. A good example is a famous gamer, Dan TDM, and Mr. Beast, who have over 100 million subscribers on YouTube. 3. Freelancing. If you have a marketable skill that helps others solve a problem, especially remotely, then you're in business. Lots of individuals have carved out a career from freelancing their services to individuals who need the skills and are willing to pay for it too. Freelancing sites such as Fiverr.com and Freelancer.com, as well as Upwork.com, have clients who are willing to pay for services that include writing, graphic design, proofreading, web design, among several others. You should also maintain a good star rating if you want to succeed in this space. This can be achieved by not just doing an outstanding and efficient job, but also meeting up with client deadlines. The requirements here are an internet-enabled laptop or phone and the ability to meet up with deadlines. 4. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant mostly does the work of a secretary, albeit remotely. Virtual assistants work remotely from anywhere as long as they get the job done. They handle calls, set up meeting schedules, compose, book flights, and send emails, among several other administrative tasks. Although some clients might require you to have some sort of qualification for this, it's not necessary. If you possess excellent communication skills and also know your way around the MS Word application on a computer, then you are good to go. You can find such opportunities on freelancing sites as well. The requirements here are a laptop, headphone, and a very stable internet connection. 5. Language translator. The opportunities available to people who are fluent in another language other than English is almost limitless. Every day, thousands of clients look for people who would help them translate something in an unfamiliar language to a language they can understand. A language translator can earn around $19 per hour. Still, this figure is sure to rise to almost $70 per hour if you're registered with the American Translators Association. Most of the languages in high demand include Spanish, Mandarin, and German. So if you're good in this area, then I suggest you head to sites such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, or WorkandHire.com to pitch your talent and earn yourself some cool cash on the side. The requirements here are an internet-enabled device and headphones. 6. Social media influencer. If you're on Facebook, Instagram, or any other popular social media space, and you tend to get lots of likes on your pictures and comments due to the popularity you must have garnered over the years, then it's high time you start profiting from it. Companies are always on the lookout for personalities that have a large number of followers, especially if they feel such an individual can suitably represent their brand. On average, an influencer can make between $30,000 to $100,000 every year by just promoting clothes, food, makeup gears, and the rest of them. So it's high time you get off your little perch and start putting your social media popularity to good use. Requirements: a social media account, an internet-enabled device, and an approachable personality. 7. Ebooks publishing. One of the best investments one can make is to publish a book. Books will always bring in some passive income, no matter how long they've been published, so long as the information contained within is still relevant. According to the U.S. ebook market, between the year 2017 and 2018, the market value for ebooks were over $4.02 billion, and this number has been on the rise ever since. If you have an interesting topic to write about and a unique angle to present your ideas, people will always tend to patronize you. Popular ebook niches that are profitable include spirituality, fiction, finances, health, and food, and so on. Requirements: a laptop or smartphone, an internet connection, and a dazzling mind. 8. Selling photos online. If you have a knack for photography and have a good camera or even a smartphone, then this might just be the online gig for you. Selling photos online doesn't require you to get any specialized training or set up a fancy website. All you require to start making money are high-quality images with excellent lighting, composition, color, and perfectly captured moments. These stock photos or images, as they are known, are purchased by companies who then resell them to their customers. These customers may then use them for commercial purposes. The more popular stock photo companies include Alamy, Scopio, Big Stock, 500 Prime, Shutterstock, and Pexels, among others. You can sign up right away with any of them and start uploading your amazingly unique photos to them for some cash. These companies will pay you for any of your pictures downloaded by their customer. The pay varies widely and depends on your niche, level of experience, and skills. As a beginner, expect to earn about 25 cents per download. So, spending all day on the internet and not profiting from it is one of the mistakes we all have to stop making. The internet offers up so many opportunities to make money legitimately, and you'll be unwise not to take advantage. To your next $1 million made online, I say a big cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.